While the year 2020 has been one of huge volatility in financial markets, it does stand out as a blockbuster year for the IPOs. Let's do a three-point analysis of the entire IPO landscape in 2020 and what can we expect from the primary space in 2021. 1. Over 31,000 crore rupees raised via IPO in 2020. Well, after the coronavirus outbreak, it looked like that the primary market was definitely down in the dumps. But with the smart recovery post the gradual easing of the lockdown, we did see the launch of Rossari Biotech public offer in July, which actually ushered in the IPO season in the earnest. Now, the overwhelming response to the Rossari Biotech IPO saw others too take the plunge, and the rest of the year was truly phenomenal. Mindspace Business Parks REIT came in July. Now, September and October were also pretty busy months as far as the IPOs are concerned. We saw Happiest Minds Technologies, Root Mobile, CAMS, Chemcon Specialty Chemicals IPOs also getting launched, Angel Broking, UTI AMC, Mazagon, Dock Shipbuilders, also Likita Infrastructure and Equitas Small Finance Bank also launched their IPOs in these months. Then Gland Pharma came in the month of November, and then Burger King India, Mrs. Bector's Food Specialities, and Antony Waste Handling Cell IPOs brought massive cheer towards the close of the year in the month of December. In all, 16 companies came out with the IPOs during 2020 against 17 in the previous year. But the fundraising in 2020 was much higher at more than 31,000 crore rupees as compared to the 17,433 crore rupees in 2019. 2. What led to the success of the IPO market? Well, majority of the IPOs got a great response from investors given the niche businesses, the strong market share and the expected economic recovery post-COVID-19 pandemic. Now, the success of IPO market attributed to a buoyant mood in the secondary market. Experts have said that strong institutional flow has supported a record equity capital market year. Also, the revival in the second half helped the IPO market to gain traction in calendar year 20. Also, investors preferred to invest in sector leaders or dominant players, anticipating that such companies would emerge stronger and as winners post-COVID-19 pandemic. 3. What to expect then from 2021? Well, experts say that the year 2021 is also likely to be quite strong when you talk about the IPO space, given the big lineup of the IPOs and the expected strong market conditions along with the economic as well as the earnings recovery in this year. Now, also continued improvements in the global risk appetite and expected improvement in the domestic economic activity will definitely help this space. The need for growth capital, deleveraging to definitely support growth post-COVID, as well as building buffer capital to face challenges arising out of COVID-19 pandemic will definitely see buoyant fundraising activity in the year to come. Now, there are quality IPOs lined up, including Kalyan Jewellers, Suryoday Small Finance Bank, ESAF Small Finance Bank, also Nazara Technologies, Railtel Corporation, Indigo Paints, Stovecraft. Also, when you talk about Samhi Hotels, APJ Surinder Park Hotels, also Zomato and Nation's financial behemoth LIC also expected to launch its IPO in this year. In all, experts hint at how a bumper crop is awaited with over 30 IPOs worth more than 30,000 crore rupees lined up for the new year. So if you've been having a fear of missing out on the IPO rally in 2020, there's more for you to grab onto in the new year.